Hello everyone, I'm Yue and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to collaborate effectively using Canva for Teams. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or designer, these collaboration features will streamline your workflow. Marami akong nakikitang nag-a-ask sa pagkakaiba ng template link and collaboration link. Reason why in this short tutorial, more on collaboration tayo dito. So sit back, relax, and learn with me. Let's go. First, setting up your Canva team. Go to Account Settings, Billing, and Teams. Click Create a Team, name your team, and invite members. Inviting teams. Access your team settings, click Invite members, and enter their email addresses, customize their permission, view, edit, and comment. Collaboration links. The collaboration link in Canva allows you to share your design with others and collaborate seamlessly. Here's how it works. Open the design that you want to share in Canva. Click on the Share button in the editor. Click Collaboration Link dropdown. Choose anyone with the link. Next, select the appropriate permission level. Can edit. This allows the guest to make edits to your design. Can view. Guests can only view the design. Can comment. Guests can leave comments in the design. Click Copy Link to get a shareable link. Share this link with anyone who needs access to your design, even if they don't have a Canva account. Guests can edit the design without logging in when accessing it on desktop browser. On mobile, they'll need to log in or sign up to edit. Guest access. Remember that guests who open your design without logging in will be represented by animal illustration instead of their initials and photo. They can view, edit, and see live updates, but they can't upload content, resolve comments, or change design link permissions. Real-time collaboration. Edit a design together with teammate, highlights live updates, resolve comments within Canva. And there you have it. Collaborating with Canva for Teams is a game changer. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell button. Until next time, happy designing. I'm Yue.